All right, here we are at 7110 Wyandotte on May 31st. According to our lease, we're supposed to be able to open tomorrow. But as you can see, there's no way that this can open for business tomorrow. The parking lot is still incomplete. It was supposed to be done. You can see these pavers getting started. But this whole parking lot is supposed to be done in pavers, and you can see that that's not happening. We'll walk around to the back of the building. Oh yeah, now there's a worker for Abdiana. Two workers working over at the building next door, but not on our building. There's nobody leased over there. They're not working on our building. Oh wait, let's walk around this way and I'll show you open sewage coming up out of the ground. Keep in mind this is all supposed to be done by now. This is parking for us. This is our parking lot, still not done. And you'll see another worker. Oh, yes, right here. Crawl space underneath the building. Wide open. Animals can get in there, critters. Don't know why it's open. Don't know what's going on there. This is where they're supposed to be bringing KCP&L, supposed to be tying in the electrical. They're supposed to be burying it here. Here's an open, I don't even know what the heck that is. This is the 3-phase that Nick said had to go in. So here's our parking lot. This is what's supposed to be our parking lot. There's a laborer working on the open sewage in the hole down here. See what he's doing. Oh, he's patching it. Yeah, that was open sewage. So going around to the back of the building. Watch where you step. Max, there's nails and glass and all kinds of stuff. And here's the back of the parking lot. No way can we do business. There's nowhere for anybody to park. And it's been like this since we signed the lease 2 months ago. Not one thing. Zero parking. Now we'll go in the back of the building. Here's the back of the building. This is what we're going to call the classroom. And as you can see, there's pools of water all over the floor. Workman's crap. Understand this is the day before we're supposed to take possession of this building. But he's using this as a workshop and a storage yard out back. And these skylights that are in here, notice, are leaking all over the damn floor. Now we'll move into here. This is another room that is a mess. There's insulation all over the floor, holes in the ceiling, panel doors down.
We had a guy do this patch of that door.
Yeah, that was our work, having that wall filled in. But Nicholas hasn't done any of his stuff. He said he'd move that electrical light switch over here to right here beside the door. That hasn't happened.
No problem.
All right, now let's go back here. I want to go back to this office. Notice there's no toe mold on the floor. This is the crappy floor he put in. These are the bathrooms. This toilet's not hooked up. There's urine in this toilet just sitting. There's no sink. This is the men's room. Yeah. Now we go into the ladies' room. This is the ladies' room. This is the toilet that's hooked up. These are napkins that the laborers, Nicholas's laborers, have used to wipe their feces behinds and lay them on the ground. There's another toilet. Notice they're unfinished. There's no sink, nowhere to wash our hands. Then we go out to the front. Yeah, notice that there's nothing. There's open holes in the ceilings. Don't know what it's for. Ductwork, lighting. Here's another one. Don't know what the hell's going on there. We have installed, of course, the bags and the rack for our boxing fitness gym. We can't open. We can't have anybody in here. There are leaks in the roof. We just found this new one today. And here it is, leaking on our brand new rubber floor. Coming from up there, you can see the water damage. Still not fixed. Let's go over here. This is the fitness and conditioning side. This is where we're going to install our turf. That's our turf laying there. We are ready to install it. But this floor is not finished. And there's a leak over here. There's a bucket full of water that's been there, that came from 2 days. And
this is today.
this is all wet and ruined. We cannot lay the floor over it. This has to be removed. I don't know if this is mold or what that is in the corner. But here's open wires.
Dump their solder.
Here's open wires, incomplete.
Look at this. Right here. There's
Yeah, the shoddy way.
Exposed screws.
The shoddy way that he finished this HVAC. Screws hanging down out of it, sharp points coming down out of it. And we projected 100 members this first month, which would roughly be an income if they paid up front, which is what we encourage them to do, of $100,000. And that's income that we are not able to earn.
This pegboard is particle. It swells when it gets wet, just like it did over here. However, this is just fine.
It will also swell.
But it's better than this. I mean, and why not do it all in this? There's obviously scrapping together.
Well, the ceiling needs to stop leaking. So that's basically what we have. We have got a mess. And here's my work going on, having this fire system put in, which I don't believe is my call anyway, but Nicholas insisted I do it, or he wouldn't turn the building over. The door closers don't work. We're gonna have to replace those.
And then let's see what the biggest job that he used our building for a workshop.
Yeah, use a building for a workshop. Part of the reason he didn't get the work done that needed to get done, to put up these stainless steel panels. He made these stainless steel panels to go all down this fence line. There's nothing wrong with that
Took him
fence.
4 weeks. Took him 4 weeks, and then of course his sign is up.
Yeah, but he's still got his sign up saying for lease, so he gets lots of good traffic.
Come over here. Let's look at some work that happened today. This is work that's happened today. This right here. Look at that. Those screws don't even flush. He could do better about that.
There's a worker on our property. Don't know what he's doing over here. Probably getting materials to go back next door to the other building.
Yeah, this is their storage lot.
Yeah, this is their storage lot. His name's Alex. He works for Nicholas.